Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Greek hummus. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready. The key to great hummus is starting with high-quality components. Next, we will prepare the chickpeas, which form the creamy base of our dish. Then, we'll move on to blending everything to achieve that perfect, silky consistency. Finally, we'll discuss how to serve and enjoy your homemade creation. For truly authentic Greek hummus, you'll need a few essential items. Start with 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or about 1½ cups if you're cooking them from dry. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is crucial for that vibrant, zesty flavor. Don't forget good quality tahini, which gives hummus its characteristic richness. Finally, a couple of fresh garlic cloves will provide a wonderful aromatic depth. The secret to incredibly smooth hummus lies in a few simple steps. For the silkiest texture, consider peeling your cooked chickpeas. It makes a noticeable difference. When blending, gradually add a few tablespoons of ice water to lighten the mixture and achieve a fluffy consistency. Begin by blending the tahini and lemon juice together first, then add the chickpeas and garlic. Process everything for at least 2 minutes until perfectly smooth. Once your hummus is perfectly blended, it's time to serve and enjoy. Transfer it to a shallow bowl and create a swirl on top. Drizzle generously with high-quality extra virgin olive oil. For an extra touch, sprinkle with a pinch of paprika or some freshly chopped parsley. It pairs wonderfully with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a spread in sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.